It's raining right now. I'm outside recording this video. Uh, I'm outside because my roommate came back and I had to go outside. It's really fresh and nice to be outside breathing deeply. And today I woke up at 10 a.m. and did yoga. Send Matthew an email and started working on the homework. I didn't finish it, but I'm really close to do that, to finish it. Also, I met my classmate and we were discussing the future projects we're working on. And after that, I learned a little bit English. I was reading a book, Anne of Green Gables. I'm really close to finish this book. And never mind. So that was my day, and I slept really. My sleep was very terrible last night. I don't know why, but I couldn't sleep well. So I'm planning to go to bed earlier. That's it. Bye.